Your gut is crying for help. Signs you shouldn't ignore. Welcome back to Healthy Life Tips on my channel Purely BioFit. If you're in gastric problem, you're in the right place. Do you ever feel bloated after meals? Does your stomach feel like it's on fire with acidity or gas? You're not alone. Millions silently suffer every day, thinking it's just normal. But what if I told you these small symptoms could be signs your gut is crying for help? Today, I'll tell you the real cause of gastric issues and how you can fix them naturally and effectively. Understanding gastric issues. Let's start with the basics. Gastric problems include acidity, gas, indigestion, bloating, and heartburn. Most of the time, it begins in your stomach or intestines, and the main causes are poor eating habits, excessive spicy or oily foods, late-night meals, stress and anxiety, weak digestion or low stomach acid, Helicobacter pylori, a type of bacteria. Many people pop antacids or painkillers regularly, but this just masks the symptoms. It doesn't solve the root problem. Signs your gut is in trouble. Here are some signs your digestion needs help. Frequent burping or flatulence, bloated stomach after meals, acid reflux or sour burps, constipation or diarrhea, feeling tired even after eating, bad breath. These are not minor signs. They're warnings from your body saying something is off. Real and natural solutions. Let's fix the problem at the root. Number 1. Eat slowly and mindfully. Chew your food at least 25 to 30 times. Digestion starts in your mouth. Number 2. Follow a gut-friendly diet. Include fiber-rich foods like oats, apples, bananas, fennel seeds, yogurt for probiotics. Number 3. Ginger and cumin water. Boil a few slices of ginger with 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. Drink it warm before meals. It boosts digestion. Number 4. Reduce stress. Stress releases cortisol, which disturbs stomach acid. Practice deep breathing, meditation, or prayer for 10 minutes daily. Number 5. Fix your meal timing. Avoid eating late at night. Have dinner at least 2 to 3 hours before sleeping. Number 6. Try Natural Remedies. Optional. Triphala powder before bed helps cleanse the gut. Ajwain, carom seeds, with black salt aids digestion. Number 7. Hydration is key. Drink warm water throughout the day, but not during meals. When to see a doctor. If symptoms are persistent, painful, or include vomiting, black stools, or weight loss, consult a gastroenterologist immediately. But for most people, changing daily habits is enough to heal the gut. Your stomach is the gateway to your health. Heal it, and you heal your energy, sleep, mood, and even immunity. If video is helpful, so like, share, and subscribe my channel, Purely BioFit, for more helpful tips. Thanks. See you in next video.